This AI gold rush is happening now. And the main differentiator isn't having some massive pre-existing skill, it's just action.
Find the stream that fits you and learn the 3 or 4 tools you need to get started.
Told their AI assistant to help them be more productive.
And what did it do?
It immediately deleted their Netflix and social media accounts. Just gone.
Huh. That's a little too literal.
A little too literal. Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today we are focusing all our attention on something the sources are calling the AI home office gold rush.
It really feels like that, doesn't it? A gold rush.
It does. And our mission today is, I think, super actionable. We're going to extract the 10 specific income streams that this research details.
Exactly. This isn't theoretical. Forget those old, work from home schemes.
Stuffing envelopes.
Yeah, right. This isn't that. This is about using AI as a force multiplier.
A force multiplier.
Yeah.
That's the part that really hooked me. The sources just kept hammering this point home.
The superpowers idea.
Yes. That AI doesn't just make you a little faster. It multiplies what one person can do by 10, maybe even 100 times.
It's the whole thesis. I mean, think about it. A solo person was always limited by the clock.
Right. 24 hours in a day.
Now, one person can generate output and quality that competes with huge companies. AI is closing that resource gap fast.
Okay, so let's unpack that multiplier effect. Because the human doesn't disappear here, the role just changes.
It just changes. Exactly. The successful creators, they all get this. AI does the grunt work.
The research, the first drafts, the outlines.
All of it. Your job shifts. You bring the soul. You're the editor, the fact checker. You add the voice that a machine just can't.
The AI is the engine, but you're still the driver.
A very, very fast engine. And you have to make sure it doesn't crash.
Fantastic. So let's get into the structure. The sources break these 10 streams down into 2 big categories. Let's start with the first one.
Category 1. AI-powered content and creative streams. This is all about that draft to delivery process.
Okay, so stream 1, what's the entry point?
The most accessible one right now? AI content creation.
So we're talking about tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Jasper.
The big ones. They're doing the heavy lifting on blog posts, emails, product descriptions, you name it.
And the financial details in the material were pretty striking. Creators charging, say, $100 to $300 a post are now doing 3 to 5 of those a day, not 1 or 2.
And that's the whole game. You do the math. That's $1,500 to maybe $4,500 a week.
Wow.
That jump in volume is purely because AI kills writer's block. It handles that initial blank page problem.
But is $4,500 a week realistic for someone just starting? What's the catch?
The catch is competition. Everyone can do it. So the solution is specialization.
Ah.
That's the pro tip. You can't just be an AI content writer that's too generic.
So you have to niche down.
You have to be the AI-powered blog writer for SaaS companies or for health and wellness. You bring the industry knowledge, AI brings the speed. That's the value.
That makes total sense.
Okay.
Okay, let's move to stream 2. AI-powered graphic design.
This one is such a radical shift. The role itself is changing completely.
You're not the pixel pusher anymore.
Not at all. You're more like an AI director. You're crafting these detailed prompts for Midjourney, Deli, Adobe Firefly.
You're managing the outcome, not drawing every line.
Exactly.
Oh,
and the smart play isn't selling AI art, it's selling a solution.
Like what?
Like 10 Instagram post designs customized to your brand. That's an outcome. Businesses buy outcomes.
And because AI handles the concepts, designers are taking on way more clients.
5 times more, according to the sources. With packages from $50 for something quick up to $500 for a full branding kit.
Okay, I'm going to jump us ahead a bit here. Let's skip to streams 5 and 6 because they feel like they fit in this creative category. We'll circle back.
Good call. They're a natural fit. So, stream 5 is AI video editing and production.
Video is king, but man, editing is such a time sink.
It was. Now, tools like Descript and Runway ML are just revolutionary.
They do what?
They automate tuts, they generate captions on the fly, they take out all the ums and ahs.
Oh, that's huge.
It even suggests or generates B-roll footage. Work that took hours now takes a few minutes of just supervising the AI.
So the financials must be pretty good.
Huge. Because the output is so high, editors are cranking out 5 to 10 short videos a day. That's anywhere from $250 to $2,000 daily.
And the strategy here is about recurring revenue.
It has to be. You offer a bundle. 4 polished YouTube videos plus 12 social clips every month for $800. That's steady, predictable income.
Okay, let's wrap up this creative block with Stream 6, AI tutoring and course creation.
Online education is just booming, but making a course is exhausting.
I've heard. It can take months.
Right. But AI can help generate the curriculum, write the quizzes, even come up with practice problems.
And what about the people who don't want to be on camera? That's always a big hurdle.
That's where it gets really interesting. Tools like Synthesia or Pictory let you create professional video lessons with digital avatars.
So you never have to turn a camera on yourself.
Never. And that unlocks true passive income potential. We're seeing courses generate $1,000 to $10,000 a month or more.
What's the pro tip here?
Solve one very specific problem. Don't make a course on math. Make a course on how to pass the GRE math section. That's specific. That's high value.
Got it. Okay, let's pivot. We're moving into category 2, AI-powered management and high-volume services.
Right. This is all about efficiency and recurring monthly income. Let's start with Stream 3, the virtual AI assistant, the VA.
Everyone needs an assistant, but almost no one can afford a full-time person.
And that's the gap. An AI-powered VA can do the work of 3 people. They're using AI for email management, for scheduling with tools like Calendly, handling customer service.
So the scale is massive.
VAs are serving 5, sometimes 10 clients at once. That's $5,000 to $15,000 a month in income.
I love the advice and the sources here. Sell outcomes, not hours.
Yes.
I'll keep you at inbox 0 is so much more powerful than I work 10 hours a week.
Infinitely more powerful. Okay, Stream 4, AI chatbot development.
And you don't need to be a coder for this anymore, right?
Absolutely not. Platforms like Chatbase or Custom GPT let you build these amazing chatbots trained on a specific business's own documents.
And the money here is in the recurring model.
It is. Maybe $500 to $2,000 for the setup, but then you get that $100 to $500 monthly maintenance fee per client.
The advice on selling this was so simple.
Show, don't tell.
Demo first.
Always. Show them a chatbot working with their own data. The sale makes itself.
Okay, jumping to Stream 7, another huge pain point for businesses. AI social media management.
The content monster that always needs to be fed.
Exactly.
AI tools in Buffer or Hootsuite handle the grunt work, generating posts, scheduling, initial replies. This frees up the human manager to focus on what matters.
Which is strategy and measurement. The stuff businesses actually pay for.
That's it. Growth, engagement, clicks. We're seeing managers handle 5 to 10 clients easily. That can be anywhere from $5,000 to $25,000 a month.
Wow. Okay, Stream 8 feels like one of the highest value ones.
Yeah.
AI research and data analysis.
It often is, yeah. But it requires the most human interpretation.
The sources use some jargon here. The AI is the scraper and analyzer. For the listener, what does that actually look like?
Great question. So the AI uses tools to automatically scrape or collect huge amounts of data, like all the competitor reviews from Amazon, or it summarizes hundreds of scientific papers in minutes.
And the human's job.
The human is the translator.
Yeah.
You take that raw data and turn it into actionable insight. You're selling wisdom, not just a spreadsheet.
So a project that used to take weeks now takes hours.
Exactly. And you can charge $500 to $5,000 for that speed and insight. Again, specialize. Be the expert for real estate investors or for biotech startups.
Love it. Okay, Stream 9 is all about pure volume and speed, AI transcription and translation.
Right. Tools like Descript, Otter.ai, DeepL, they're doing the bulk of the work with incredible accuracy.
So the human role is basically quality control.
Quality control, formatting, making sure industry jargon is right. You're the final polish.
And the speed is what changes the economics.
Totally. AI is 10 to 20 times faster than a human typing, so you can offer same-day or 24-hour turnaround.
And charge a premium for it.
A huge premium, 50 to 100% higher rates. Clients pay for speed and certainty. And you can process hundreds of minutes of audio a day, earning up to, well, maybe $1,800.
Daily. Incredible. Okay, final one. Stream 10. AI email marketing.
The channel that just won't die because it has such a high ROI.
And AI is perfect for the optimization part.
It's magnificent. It can split test subject lines, write personalized copy, figure out what's working and what's not, all incredibly fast.
This is where we saw the highest earning potential.
By far. Because you're not just getting a monthly retainer, $500 to $3,000.
You're getting a piece of the action.
You're getting a rev share.
Yeah.
A 5 to 10% cut of all the sales the emails generate, that elevates you from a consultant to a partner.
Okay, so we have the 10 streams, the tools, the incredible numbers. But now for my favorite part, the human reality check.
Right, where AI needs some adult supervision.
A lot of it. The anecdotes of the material were hilarious, like the person who told their AI assistant to help them be more productive.
And what did it do?
It immediately deleted their Netflix and social media accounts. Just gone.
Huh. That's a little too literal.
A little too literal. And I love the AI calendar scheduler example. A user asked it to prioritize self-care. It scheduled a 6-hour meditation block, 2 intense workouts, and a digital detox. The user said, "I'm pretty sure it thinks I'm a cyborg."
It has no nuance, it's all logic, no context.
And that gets to the fundamental failure, right? AI can compose music and write code, but it still can't reliably summarize a Zoom call that should have been an email.
That is a skill that remains uniquely human, distinguishing necessity from noise.
So that brings us to the core conclusion. This AI gold rush is happening now. And the main differentiator isn't having some massive pre-existing skill, it's just action.
It's action. Find the stream that fits you and learn the 3 or 4 tools you need to get started. That's it.
The tools are ready, the clients are there, the opportunity is real.
It is. But let me leave you with one final provocative thought that ties back to this whole idea of scale.
Hit us with it.
Okay, so AI lets one person multiply their output by 10x, right?
Right.
The biggest bottleneck you're going to face isn't doing the work. It's managing the work. If you actually get 10 times the clients, what systems do you have in place for client communication, for billing, for quality control, so you don't just immediately burn out? Scaling the work is now the easy part. Scaling the business infrastructure to handle that work. That's where you build real sustainable wealth.
That is a fantastic framework for thinking about what comes next. Something to really chew on as you start exploring these streams. Thank you for this deep dive.
My pleasure.
We'll catch you next time.